Welcome to a little overview of Noco. So I have this project already set up. This was cloned from our template, our landing page template. So on the left here is our chat interface, and let's go through an example where I'm trying to fix this code example on a dark background for my front end. So what makes Noco a little bit different is it indexes the entire code base. So it has a little bit better understanding of like what is going on throughout the entire application and how to build stuff. So it's not going to like randomly try and rewrite other files that aren't applicable to the scenario, and it will try and do its best to build in the way that the rest of the template has been built. This was the plan that it came up with. It's a reasonable plan to find the code tag and add the Tailwind CSS properties that make sense. And you can see that on the right here, it did actually live update and apply. So we can actually go into the code, see the changes that it made. So here's this diff view. You can scroll down. I can see the diff. So this is the exact code that the AI added. And we can actually fix our little formatting issue here. If we wanted to go back to our preview and see that this updated. And so now this little bracket's all the way over here. You have logs. So this is your Next.js logs for the dev environment. You can have environment variables as secrets. So you can paste in whatever secrets you need. So in a different template, for example, we have Supabase as the backend, and so you could put all of your environment variables or database connections, whatever, in here. And then what else is cool is each of these templates, this one's blank, but we have the ability to add instructions. So in a normal template, we will have a series of instructions that tell the AI how to build something. And this is where it can be very opinionated on exactly how to structure the code and the output. And because it's template based, and because the idea is that you would come into Noco and select a template that's kind of close to what you want, um, with these really nice instructions pre-written for you, you have to do less work for the output to be good. Whereas in Cursor, it might take 5, 10, sometimes all day to iterate on the code that it's producing to try and figure out, for trying to get the AI to actually output the thing that you're trying to, the feature that you're trying to build. So we also have full Git integration. You can pull, push, or commit your changes right to GitHub. And outside of the templates, you can actually import the code that you already have written. For instance, it takes a little bit of work to get the dev environment set up. That's something that we can help you with. But for now, it is possible. For instance, we have Noco itself running on Noco and have built some features in this platform as well. So Noco, generally speaking, works well with Cursor. It works well with Devon, works well with Windsurf, whatever you want to do. Again, because it's all Git based, it's just going to pull the GitHub repo, set up your dev environment, let you write code, and then you can push when you're ready.